Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, it's a showdown between two robotic gladiators. On my left, we have the Roborock Q Revo, and on my right, the Eureka E10s. Which one will earn the title of Clean Machine Supreme? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. The Roborock Q Revo comes in at a wallet-crushing $899. It's like buying a small island, if that island could vacuum and mop your floors. Meanwhile, the Eureka E10s is a more budget-friendly $699. With that extra $200, you could almost buy a second Eureka, or, a lifetime supply of snacks. Next, let's dive into their self-cleaning abilities. The Roborock Q Revo says goodbye to dirty work with its multifunctional dock. This thing does auto mop washing, hot air drying, and even self-empties for up to 7 weeks. It's like having a personal maid, but without the awkward small talk. The Eureka E10s also boasts a Bagless self-emptying station that keeps dust and debris at bay for up to 45 days. And because it's bagless, you save up to $70 a year on dust bags. That's more than enough to fund your coffee addiction. Let's talk about suction power. Because who doesn't love a good suck? The Roborock Q Revo comes in hot with a whopping 5,500 pascals of suction power. This thing could probably suck up your hopes and dreams if it wasn't busy cleaning your floors. The Eureka E10s isn't far behind with 4,000 pascals of suction power. It's like the Roborock's slightly weaker cousin who still gets the job done. It can handle everything from pet hair to the crumbs from your midnight snack sessions. Now, let's see how these bots navigate the treacherous terrain of your home. The Roborock Q Revo uses reactive tech obstacle avoidance with PreciSense LiDAR navigation and 3D mapping technology. It's basically the James Bond of robot vacuums, minus the tuxedo. The Eureka E10s also uses precision LiDAR navigation and PSD technology to avoid obstacles and clean corners. Think of it as the Sherlock Holmes of vacuums, meticulous and always on point. Finally, let's mop up this comparison with their mopping capabilities. The Roborock Q Revo has dual spinning mops that spin at 200 RPM with 30 water flow levels. It's like having two tiny figure skaters cleaning your floors. The Eureka E10s isn't just a vacuum, it's a 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo. It detects carpets and lifts the mop to prevent dripping. It's like the multitasking parent who can cook dinner while helping with homework and still manage to look fabulous. Both the Roborock Q Revo and the Eureka E10s have received positive reviews on Amazon. Users love the Roborock Q Revo for its powerful suction, effective mopping, and sophisticated navigation. However, some initial issues were resolved with firmware updates. On the other hand, the Eureka E10s is praised for its efficient mapping, ease of maintenance, and effective cleaning, particularly on hard floors. It's seen as a fantastic investment for a reliable and smart cleaning solution, though it's slightly less effective on carpets. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q Revo and the Eureka E10s both bring their A game. But which one is right for you? If you want the Ferrari of robot vacuums with all the bells and whistles, go for the Roborock Q Revo. But if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option, the Eureka E10s is your go-to. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean. Product links are in the description.